Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion like a pro. First, let's dive into the fundamentals of Notion, a versatile workspace that adapts to your unique needs. You'll learn to create new pages, which are the building blocks of your system, and organize them into a logical hierarchy. We'll also cover how to link these pages together, creating a seamless flow of information. This foundational understanding is crucial for building a robust and efficient Notion setup, saving you countless hours in the long run. Next, we'll explore Notion's powerful database feature, which is central to managing complex information. Databases allow you to store and organize data in structured ways, far beyond simple lists. You can view this data in multiple formats, such as tables, boards, calendars, and galleries, each offering a unique perspective. Learning to effectively filter and sort your database entries will enable you to quickly access specific information, transforming how you interact with your data. Now, let's talk about supercharging your workflow with templates and basic automation. Notion offers a vast library of pre-built templates for various uses, from project management to personal journaling. You can also create your own custom templates for any recurring task or page structure, saving you significant time. Furthermore, we'll explore how to use Notion buttons to automate simple actions, like adding a new task or marking an item complete, making your workspace more interactive and efficient. Finally, let's elevate your Notion experience with advanced customization and integrations. Personalize your pages with unique icons and cover images to make your workspace visually appealing and easy to navigate. You can embed a wide range of external content, such as Google Docs, Figma files, or YouTube videos, directly into your Notion pages, centralizing your resources. We'll also touch upon how integrations can connect Notion with other tools, expanding its capabilities, and creating a truly interconnected digital hub.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.